Okay, I'm going to need you to have your highlighter and your pencil ready because you're going to need to take these notes on your note page. Is everybody ready? Let's get started on the keywords for addition. Numbers can only be added if they have similar attributes or like terms. Another word that you're going to hear a lot is same units. For example, cats and cats equal cats. They all have the same units. 2 cats plus 3 cats equals 5 cats. If we start off with 2 cats and we add 3 more cats, guess what? We have 5 cats. All of these have the exact same units, and that's why we can add them. 5s plus 7s equals 12s. 4m plus 6m equals 10m. Non-examples. Cats and houses. You cannot add cats and houses. There's not such a thing as cat houses. Cat houses don't exist. That would be really weird. Just like you cannot add cats and houses, you cannot add s's with a normal integer. 5s plus a normal 7 does not equal 12s. 4m plus a normal 6 does not equal 10m. If the labels do not match, you cannot add them. So make sure that you watch those labels, attributes, units, terms. You see this box? All of the words in this box mean to add. Deposit, adding, transfer into, adding, combined, adding, increase, adding. This brings us to our strategy for word problems. We're going to be using this year the HIAS check strategy. The H stands for highlighting keywords. The I stands for identifying the process. The A stands for writing an algorithm. The S stands for solving a problem. And then, of course, you need to check your work. So let's use that strategy on this word problem down here. I'm going to use this box up here to highlight my keywords. All together is a keyword. How many in the question is also a keyword. Donald has achieved 5,492 points on Pokemon Go. Randy has reached 6,173 points on Pokemon Go. How many points have Donald and Randy earned all together? Well, we already highlighted how many points and the word all together. And that indicates that our process is to add. What are we adding? Donald and Randy's points on Pokemon Go. Our algorithm, which is a fancy word for an equation or a number sentence, is 5,492 plus 6,173, and that's going to equal S. Now we can solve. To solve, I'm going to go on the side here, and I'm going to line these two numbers up by their place value and add them up. 6,173 plus 5,492 equals 11,665 points. I'm going to put that over here in my solution. And now it's time to check my work. Let's make sure I did what I was supposed to do. Altogether does mean to add. Did I add these numbers? 3 plus 2 is 5. 7 plus 9 is 16. And I put my 6 down and carried my 1. 1 plus 1 plus 4 makes 6. 5 plus 6 equals 11. One important thing about addition is that they have to have the same label, right? So we also need to check, do I have the same label? Well, points plus points equals points. Yes, those are the same labels. Did I write the numbers down correctly? I'm going to go back up to my problem. 5,492, 5,492. 6,173, 6,173. A lot of the mistakes that I see as a teacher is people just writing the wrong number. And then they miss the whole problem because they just didn't check to make sure that they wrote the right number. The last thing I need to check for is reasonableness. Is my answer reasonable? Adding means you get larger. Is my solution, 11,665 points, greater than my other two numbers? It sure is. So guess what? Our answer is good.